What's up, guys? What's up? I'm gonna be showing y'all. I'm gonna be opening a lot of chests on like 56 a legendary chest. I think it'll be like that, but 56 legendary chest on Build a Boat for Treasure. Here it starts. I don't know how long this video will be though. This might just be a little bit. So here, man, this be a lot. Oh my. Let me see one that actually like that. There. Here it goes. This be a wait. Actually, this be a quick one. You gotta do that one. Whoa. Wait, I get a purple chest. Whoa. Whoa. Yo, what the flip? What the? I got a lot of stuff from that. Bro. Bro, that take me so long to get that much gold, by the way, bro. Or guys, like, bro, that took me so long. Now, if I'm not mistaken, I'll be getting more blocks. I'll be getting some. If I might, you might see me. What the heck? I got a lot. I'm gonna get some. I think I said I want to get the plastic box. I want to get this one. This right here. That one. No, this one too. The reason why I want to get more plastic blocks because of and then I'm gonna get the marble ones on the like right here. Oh wait, hold up. I might start grinding to do that too. I'm not just doing this to open. I'm gonna do this video right here. It's just be like I don't know for the shorts, you know what I mean? So I'm kind of bad on the angle. Now I got that. Oh, and now I want to open up this. Wait, I still have enough to open. Am I getting anything else? No. What if I just get? I'm gonna spam. I'm gonna get so much of these. I'm gonna get. I'm trying to get 3. Wait, this is giving me 20. I might be getting a decent amount. What the heck? Three. Oh, that'd be enough there. I'm gonna be getting 60. Bro, I got so much, bro. What the flip? God, I know it's not the greatest angle. Actually, I'm gonna stay like this. This would be like a short thing, you know what I mean? Guys, thank y'all for watching this little short thing because I don't want to make it into a short because I feel like I'm gonna do it for too long. But I'm gonna be making a video walking around the. Yeah, I'm gonna be making a video like going around and stuff like that, like around my neighborhood, walking. I know it's dark outside, as y'all can see. You think I should open up this one chest? I'm doing that. Here. I'm on 8 gold. Bro, I got so... Wait, hold up. I need to check how much I got. I got... Bro, I actually got 2,000... Bro, you know the good thing about that? I got 2,000 on my brick now and all that stuff. So that means I have, like... I have so much blocks I can build my house now. Like, you know, see what I'm talking about when I... Bro, and I get the... Dang. It's a grind, but bro, a lot of this stuff I literally did almost all day, bro. It took me all day. The plushies, like, literally did it. I should have showed that, but I kind of did it off stream or off like YouTube and stuff like that. Whoa, what the heck, bro? We have 50. I have 51 now. I have 51 cannons. I have more than what I had before. Oh, and I have a lot of gold too. Like a lot of gold blocks. Every single time I do stuff like that, like when I grind, because I'm still trying to get to how much? I should have like 3,000 obsidian. Yeah, I have like 3,397. I try to get to like 50,000. I know it's a small amount, but it's going up there. I might not be able to do that all in one day. That'd take me way too long. I'll try to get up to at least to get the AFK bridge. I try to make that indestructible like AFK bridge. What it seems like I did on YouTube, but I don't know how to do the speed thing. That way I got another magnet. So I'll have 2 magnets now. Let me see. That's actually good, bro. What the flip? How much purple blocks do I have now? I have 56 of that. Oh my. When I do that again, that probably take me so long. Because I'll just get 132 gold every single full, like when I complete everything. When I get like an AFK farm and do it for like, stay there for like a week or 2. I'm gonna be getting so much. It's probably better to do it on my phone though. Or on my PC. And I have 105 doors. What the heck? I got so much doors. So much lights. Oh my. Oh yeah, and you get these for free. You get I don't even know I'm putting it right. You get these for free, and you get these for free when you unlock or when you go to like secret areas on the map. And what else do you get for free? Honestly, no plushies you get for free. It's this one other one, what is like really hard to do. You have to defeat a boss fight. It's in a whole different game though. It's literally like Build-A-Boat. It's have plushies instead. That'd be good right there. Guys, make sure y'all like share it to your friends, subscribe and stuff like that, you know? Dang. I played on this game way too long. Bye.